Welcome back to Get Rich Today, your AI-powered daily boost of market moves and financial insights. I'm your host, and here's what's happening this Friday, July 4th, 2025. Top stock gainers and losers. Apple shares are trading around $213.50, up just over 0.5%. Markets are closed today due to the U.S. Independence Day holiday, but futures dipped overnight on renewed tariff threats. Top crypto gainers and losers. Bitcoin is just above 108,835 after a mild pullback, down about 0.5%. Ethereum holds steady around 2,572. Memecoin Pudgy Penguins led altcoins higher with almost an 8% gain, while SEI pulled back nearly 7%. Breaking financial news. First, U.S. equity futures fell roughly 0.4%, and the dollar slipped after President Trump hinted at tariffs between 10 to 70%, reviving investor uncertainty. Second, despite the dip, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq remain at record highs, driven by AI optimism and strong tech sector confidence. Third, crypto ETFs saw massive inflows yesterday. Bitcoin funds added around $600 million worth, while Ethereum ETFs brought in $149 million. Fourth, two long-dormant Bitcoin wallets finally moved over 20,000 BTC, coins untouched for 14 years. Fifth, Democrats in the U.S. House will launch Crypto Week mid-July to advance key blockchain legislation. Sixth, insiders at companies like AIVA and CNM sold large stakes, marking a heightened sell-off in corporate shares across industries. Insider moves. AIVA's CFO sold approximately 10,000 shares worth over $300,000. And at CNM, the CFO sold 13,000 shares worth more than $800,000, reducing personal holdings significantly. Today's buy list, not financial advice, just ideas. Bitcoin still near the 108K, 109K zone, showing resilience amid major inflows. Ethereum holding key levels with robust ETF demand. Memecoins like Pudgy Penguins, fast movers, though higher risk. Red flag alert. Heightened tariff talk adds market volatility risk. Large insider sales at multiple firms may suggest caution on corporate sentiment. Crypto whales moving billions worth of BTC could trigger price swings. Newly launched crypto. No new token launch today, but real-world asset investment initiatives by Ondo Finance and Pantera Capital are hitting the blockchain space, signaling long-term structural growth. Wealth hacker of the day. No feature today. Stay tuned tomorrow for an entrepreneur who turned a thrift store resale business into a six-figure online brand. Investment tip of the day. When in doubt, monitor institutional flows. Big picture moves often outpace headlines. Motivational quote. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Question for you. With Bitcoin holding around 108K and meme coins surging, which asset are you watching most and why? Drop your pick in the comments. That's it for today's Get Rich Today. Like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the game every single day.